Umentri Rangba ka Jilla Ukonrat Sangma, Bat ka Agatha Sangma, Kabalong ka Kertong ka NPP, Natura Constituency, Menta ka Sngi ka Khatkhandai Tarik Uyayong, Kilayami Dang Step Banyeng Lan, Banyo Tep ya ka vote ka Jongki, na ka benta ka election MP Hatura.
Idea is that everybody, of course, is voting, and everybody's vote is the same. So whether you are the driver of the Chief Minister, or you're the security guard of the Chief Minister, or you're the Chief Minister himself, everybody has one vote. And so it is important that every single individual should cast their vote. And hence I have asked my driver, my security personnel, that they don't need to worry too much. I'll drive myself and I'll go to the polling station, and security also, we will take the local security from Tura, or those who have already casted their vote. And I would want every single individual in my staff to ensure that they go and cast their vote, and hence I decided to drive myself to the polling station today. I just finished my casting my vote. I was in the line for approximately more than 2 hours, in fact, and you can see that there are many more people still there behind me, and it's good to see the turnout. It's a healthy democratic practice, and I once again urge everybody to kindly come out and do cast their vote in this election.
Are you optimistic about the election results for the
Yes,
National
we are.
People's Party?
Absolutely. We are very, very optimistic. But as I said, we are still in the election. I mean, of course, we're 100 meters away, but still, we're in the election area, so I would not like to comment too much on it. Thank you.
Generally, in the MP Lok Sabha elections, we don't see a very large turnout in comparison to the assembly elections. And this morning, seeing this large number of people coming out to vote is a very positive sign, and I would encourage our people to exercise this franchise. And yes, it's a wonderful sign, and I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers. I think the core issues obviously is development, it's peace. And when I say development, it also includes employment. People want good infrastructure. They want their governments to provide good infrastructure. They want governments to provide job opportunities. And I feel that this government has, fulfilled and delivered on these promises. This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and a duty to come out and vote.